I just finished making our immensely popular chickpea curry over here. I'm going to have this one for lunch. It's vegan. You can do it in about 30 minutes. My fingers are burning. And this is how you make the recipe. Alright, let's start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The pan should be on medium heat. Next in go 2 medium-sized onions diced. If the pan's too hot, lower the heat a bit. Otherwise let them simmer for about 5 minutes until they're translucent. We're now 2 minutes in. Now is the time to add 3 cloves of garlic diced or chopped. Definitely should be finely. Let this simmer for another 3 minutes or so. This is looking very good. Now is the time to add a teaspoon of curry paste. This is a mild curry paste now, some sort of tikka masala, which works fine. Let's add that. Of course, depending on how strong your curry paste is, you should dose the amount correctly. So this can easily be up to 2 teaspoons, but let's start slowly. Let this cook for about 30 seconds or so that it can really create some flavor. Add a pinch of salt already. Add a can of coconut milk. This is the 15-ounce one. You can also use low fat, but make sure to have something starchy with you to thicken it up later. Maybe it'll be a bit runny because it has less fat. Okay, I've set this to medium-high heat to bring the coconut milk to a boil, and I've drained and rinsed the chickpeas. This is 1 small can, 15 ounces. In they go. Did I say rinsed and drained or drained and rinsed? It's also time to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. As mentioned, bring it to a boil and then reduce heat to medium sort of and let it cook for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes are over, it's time to add about a handful of chopped tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes, extra sweet. Oh yes. In goes about a cup of chopped basil as well. All fresh, of course. Squeeze in about half a lime and let things simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. And we've arrived to the final step, adding some sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Have a taste test. That's good, but needs a bit more salt. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt on top. Alright, our chickpea curry is done. You can create a bit more thickness by adding about a teaspoon of cornstarch or any other kind of starch. Also, I've cooked some basmati rice in the meantime, and this is what I'm going to use for plating. Alright guys, that's the chickpea curry done. I'm going to have this one for lunch. Until then, I'm going to edit the video here. And yes, it's one of our most popular recipes on the blog. We're super curious how it turns out for you. Let us know in the comments below. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye!